Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. So in this video I'm actually going to show you a certain tool, a screen recording tool that you can use for free, and that is lightweight and basically can work with most PCs, and that is oCam. Right, so this is actually free and you can actually download it online. Just go to oCam. Possibly the first link that you are going to see is the link, so just download it from there. Then after that you install it, and then after install it, just open it and it will look like this. Right, now you can actually record your screen in different ways. Right, now first things first, let's just do a normal walkthrough. Like on the top we've got the menu, screen recording, game recording, audio recording. So you can actually record games here if you're playing video games. You can also record audio as well if you just want to record the sound only without anything. So it's basically amazing. Then on the menu right here, you've got the options, register, buy, help, and about section to learn more about the software. So if you go to options, you can actually learn more about the platform, how you can actually set it up to use it. On the first, we've got the record section, the general, the game, the resource recording area. So these are basically like general settings that you need to set up. Let's say if you want to include the cursor within the recording, you tick this one. If you want this platform to be always on the top, use Traycon. You do that. The FPS, you can change them based, of course, on your system. So I'll say when you install this application, it will basically determine the automatic settings of your PC, what your PC is capable of. Then simply adopt those settings. Then we've got the keyframing, we've got the decoder resolution, compatibility, all these kind of things. And of course for the game, you set your game, if you're recording a game, how much you want to record, resize the video, is it 1080, 720p or 4K, 8K. So again, this will depend on your PC. Then the recording area, this one allows you to kind of set certain recording settings. Maybe you want to record the area around the mouse, but cursor when recording. Maybe you want to hide or drag the recording area, or maybe you just want to hide the app, or kind of minimize it when you are recording, something like that. So, and next with the sound, like which input source are you going to use, right? A stereo channel, maybe it's a left channel, right channel. So it will depend on how we want to set this. And next for the capture. Now on the capture, you can actually capture certain images of I will say screenshots. Really, that's something what this is all about. You include the cursor, remove it. You can now kind of select settings that you want. Then the GIF, I don't use this one though, but yeah, most of the settings. Then hotkeys, you can actually set your keys to let's say if you don't want to use the mouse or anything like that, you can set your hotkeys to do certain things. If you want to record, or maybe if you want to pause, or if you want to capture, say like you take a screenshot using the application. The effect, right, the mouse effect, you can add like an effect on the mouse, input rings, stars, maybe star rotation or something like that. So you can actually customize it setting to suit certain things that you like. Then right click effect, can customize this one too. Maybe you want to put rings, or maybe you want to the color, you want to change it to blue or something like that. Highlight color, you can put this, then cursor color or cursor size. So it's just amazing, really. It's just amazing. Soft edge, it's always great. So just amazing. Then left click, something like that. Then on the surf, now this is where you put, like you select your custom the output folder, right, the output path, right, where if you, let's say you record and you want to save this thing, it will save on a certain folder, so you can actually put it on that. Then on the name, you can customize it on how you want this thing to look like, right? Let's say maybe it's for example the file name, there's the year and the month, the day, the hour, and all those kind of things. Time limit, you can enable time limit. on how much you want to record to do. But for me, I think it's always good to leave this thing unchecked, right, so that you can record as long as you want. Then we've got the watermark. If you have a watermark, you can actually place it here. Let's say if you've got a logo and you want a certain logo to appear, each and every time when you record, you can do that here. So you can actually select this one. Yeah, this one is amazing. Then we've got the webcam. Now, if you've got a webcam, you can add an overlay. You've got a webcam, then choose the source. Is it your what? Any webcam that you want to use right here. Then the format, such as select. Maybe you want to put the size, possibly like the resolution that you want to record the webcam in, and all those kind of things. Then the video size. Now, how much will it take the screen, at the recording screen, and then the position, where do you want to put it. So always make sure that you do these things, right? So I have to kind of untick it. Then the performance, usually this one is the you can actually set that based on a PC, of course, but usually it does kind of detect the computer's capability and be able to apply the necessary settings, but you can actually come and change it. Then language, you can choose the language that you want these things to be written in, right? So you can actually set your oCam to run all these things. So, and the nicest thing about this tool is that it's free, right? You just need to maybe donate something to them, right, if you want. But again, if you don't have to donate, it's okay too. You can actually use it for free. So I've gone through all these settings, so I just want to see that I didn't change much, or maybe I put certain things, because I'm actually going to record using this thing, right? I'm actually to record this in a video so that you can actually see what it has, right? Let's say in this one I don't include it, because if I'm doing animate, let me unclick this one. Capture sound, I think I didn't change much. Recording areas, size, show overlay, alright, include the case general. So I didn't change much, but again I can just reset here if I don't like the current settings. So just to go to the usual, the normal. Now when you are recording, make sure that you take note of certain things right here, right? Now on the capture, of course, is this like the screen, certain things that you want to screen, but you can actually adjust here what area you need to capture. So you can adjust on what area you need to capture here. Now when doing a regular screen recording, you can actually come here to resize, right, and select the resolution that you want to use, right? And on default is basically record the entire thing, but you can customize it here, right? Maybe if you want a certain custom size, you can put it here. Then you can customize here, like how much you want to do to record, or maybe you want to select a certain area. So it's great to use this to select how much you want to record with this option right here. You just drag it, click on these corners, on these boxes, and drag in which area you want to record. So it's actually great. Now this is the folder. Let's say you finish recording something, you come here and open it, then it will lead you to the file. Then the codecs, like how do you want your file to be saved? Is it MP4, MKV, M4V, MOV, or any type of codec, right? Then an important part that you must, in fact, you must be sure that you check this is the sound, right? Screen recording and the sound. You must make sure that you select if you want your microphone to record, select the microphone. So select the microphone that you're actually using to record this. So as you can see, I have two microphones. I have the one that I'm using right now, but I'm using it on OBS right now. So I'm not using OBS to record this because of the screen recorder. So let's say I want a Logitech. I also have like a Logitech microphone of my headset. I can actually click this, right, and then I'll record only the Logitech headset microphone. Then so this is important. Let's say if you want to record the system, you want to record any sound that the system plays, you come to system record and click it like this. So make sure that you ensure that these things are checked, right? Now to record is basically simple. You come here to record and press record, right? Then it will start to record. Now as you can see right now, I am actually talking through the Logitech microphone. So let's say I want to stop, right? I want to locate the file where I put on where I recorded. I simply click on open. Then it will be highlighted, automatically highlighted here. So what I'm going to do right now is just to play this file so that you can actually hear it, right? I'm going to play it and I'm going to keep quiet. So as you can see, this is the test that I'm conducting on oCam. So this is the recording, and I'm actually using my Logitech headset to record this sound. Then I'm going to say stop. So as you can see, this is done, ready. So this is done. So guys, that's basically all about oCam, right? Apart from that, I don't have anything much to say about this platform. As I said, like it's amazing, it's free, and you can actually use it. It's lightweight, which means it can work on many PCs. So for now, I'm just going to close it. So since it is free, it will basically like try to take you to a browser like where you actually downloaded it, right? So you can actually maybe make a donation to avoid these things, but for now, since it's free, that's where you'll be going. So for now, I'm going to close it, and that will be all. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next video.